Yo, hello guys, Crypto Yalla is here, how are you doing? So today is 14th of May and we are going to take a look on crypto market. I'm going to make a crypto market update for you and we will take a look on Bitcoin, Ethereum and we will choose one more coin close to the end of the video. This will be a very popular altcoin, so you will be pleased, I'm sure. So let's see. Last time we met with you, I guess on the 7th or somewhere there, where we were trading around 96k on Bitcoin, and I was telling you that even though the market was looking good, but there was one cautious. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to forget English. There was one thing that I was mentioned, and this was about this resistance that we broke, and now we are trading around 104k. So pretty good. As you can see, this resistance worked pretty well, and it was a real resistance, because what you can see when we broke this to the upside, the move was wild. So that's how you identify resistances, and even though we went up, the resistance is real because it shows how the coin behaved after this level was broken. So if it was behaving savage, as a wild animal, this only confirms that it was a resistance, Okay, so in today's video we will take a look shortly. I'm going to show you how I mark my levels, important levels for any coin, any trading instrument, but in this case important levels for Bitcoin. I'm talking about Monday lows, Monday highs, and about yearly open. Yearly open is a big macro level that shows how institutions, how big hedge funds are. So they are looking at this level. So if in the start of the year the instrument is behaving well, they are inclined to invest more, and if it is trading below this level, below yearly open, this is not so good for more investments to expect. So in this case we are trading above yearly open, and a yearly open, if we come back to this level, I will be expecting it to behave as a good support, because from this level there could be another additional investments into Bitcoin. So in this case I use BTC levels, I guess the indicator is called. But anyway, there are plenty of indicators that are similar, so you can find yours. Just a small reminder for you that the link for this service, it's TradingView, you can find in the description in my first comment. And if you use my link, you will not lose anything. You will get an additional discount if you choose to use this product in the paid version. You will get additional discount. I don't remember exactly how much. I guess 15%, but believe me, it's a good amount, and of course you can use it for free. So in this on this platform you can find a bunch of indicators, and one of them is BTC, not BTC. Oh yeah, I think it's BTC key levels or something. So it doesn't matter. Anyway, but I don't use this indicator for all the time. I use it only for mark my raise, my levels manually. Why? Because I don't like how this indicator looks like. You see, like it's not very. It takes a lot of screen. It uses a lot of screen, so that's why it distracts me when there are a bunch of these horizontal lines. So I usually just use this indicator once in a week. So today is Wednesday. Anyway, I should have used it yesterday, because usually after Monday's range is formed, I usually then mark my levels. So anyway, so we can do it today. I use, for marking my levels, I use this instrument. It's called horizontal ray. Why? Because the ray, when you use horizontal ray, it doesn't draw itself to the left. It only draws to the right. So where this point is important, it's important in the future, right? So it doesn't matter for the past. So that's why I'm only interested in expanding this line to the right. Okay, so my Monday low, Monday high, I use saved template. I saved it like Monday LH. So you see it's Monday low, and then I lock it. So I cannot move it from this point by accident. And obviously Monday high. Let's check. Oh my gosh! Wait a minute. I forgot to make a text here. So Monday low we can write, and here, not here. Oops, not here. Wait a minute. Did I put my level or not? Let me switch it off. Yeah, I have my level here, and it will be Monday high. So, perfect. And I will lock it as well, so I will not accidentally delete it or move it to another point. Okay, so we have our Monday low, Monday high. This is more important. These levels are more important for mid-term or short-term. So usually Monday lows or Monday highs are behave as our resistance, our support or resistance. So if the price will come to this level, it could bounce from this level. So I would expect, knowing that it is around this Monday low, so in other words, possible support, I could expect some bounce, short term or long term, it doesn't matter. But anyway, I can expect some reaction from this level, and as well from this level, but to another direction, as it could act as a resistance. So I hope you will explore this tactic, you will explore this method of trading analysis. So take this approach and try it. Yeah. Okay, so let's mark also our yearly open. Even though we are not near these levels, but we could be in the future, and I want to be sure that I will be ready when when we get there. So this is our yearly open, and we can check if we go back. For example, let's choose 12 hours time frame, and we can see that below we have our dates, and this yearly open starts from this candle. It was, you see, the 1st of January. So this level starts from here, and we will mark from here as well. So I want to see how the price behaved around this level during all this year, because obviously it's yearly open, so it should be important during all this year. And you see that from this level, price usually reacted to the upside. Here it bounced a bunch of times, you see here. Then when we broke this to the downside, you saw this wild move to the downside. So obviously I'm sure that you can see that these levels are important, and we should look at them as they are. They could be our guides or our whatever. Okay, so let's mark our yearly open, and yearly opens I also usually log them, so I will not be able to drag them. We can switch this off, this indicator, and you see that we have now clearly our Monday's low, Monday's high, and yearly open, but we forgot to mark this level. So to be able to differentiate these levels, and by just at a glance see that this level is different from those Monday's high, Monday's low, so I usually choose different color, and for yearly opens I usually choose something from green palette and a little bit thicker than usual levels, because it's more important level, so that's why I'm choosing it a different thickness. And I want this to be maybe a little bit darker, something like this, and usually I'll mark this as a yearly open. And also let's choose something darker. It will not distract us in the future, but it will be here with us. So this is how I usually, this is very simple, basic approach for marking these types of levels. And I wanted to remind you that the link to this service you will find in the description, in the first comment pinned by me. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you try this approach, and let's see in the next videos how the price will behave. So take care of yourself. See you later. Bye.